Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rinse through your Bosch Tassimo Happy. This might be useful if you haven't used it in a long time. Maybe you're staying at an Airbnb and you're not sure how long it's been since this has been used. Always good to rinse through the water to begin with. So we have a full water tank here, so if there's no water in here, make sure you've put fresh clean water in. And we're going to get the service disc. The service disc on this one is just located just here. So just slide that out. And we're just going to take this out here to give us a little bit more room. So this just slides out like so. We're going to open it up. The machine is plugged in. You can see by opening it up, it's now come to life. We're going to put the service disc in with the barcode down. So we're putting it in like that. And now we're going to close it. We're going to get our glass and we're going to put it underneath here. And we're going to hit this button. When we hit this button, it's going to bring through some fresh water. So here goes. So you can hear by that sound that it hasn't been used in a while because it was like the pump was empty. So don't open this up until that light goes to solid. It's just flashing at the moment. You don't want to open it up yet until all the pressure and the steam's gone. There we go, you can see it's gone to solid now, so this will allow us to open it up. And then you can take this out and you can put it back. But check first that the water is nice and clean. So I can see on this bit that there is actually quite a few bits in here. Probably won't come across in the camera, but I can see this scale down the bottom and I can see there's a few black bits floating around. So I would not be happy making coffee with this machine just yet because I would want the water to be completely clean. So what I'm going to do is either empty this one out down the sink. I've just got another one here just purely for the video. I'm going to close this and I'm going to rinse it through one more time. And hopefully then this lot will be clean. I might have to do this 2 or 3 or 4 times until the water is completely clean. That way then you can be happy that your coffee is clean, because if you made it straight away with coffee, you'd be drinking this but you wouldn't realise it because the coffee would be dark coloured, you wouldn't see it. Again, wait for it to stop flashing before you do anything. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm just going to have a look in here, see if it looks clean. And I can see still a couple of bits down the bottom, but it's much better than the first cup. So in this instance, I'd probably rinse it through another 2 times after this, and then I would be happy. I might have to fill up the water, to make sure that you've got enough water coming through. Also, make sure the glass you put in is big enough to have this much water. So once you're finished, wait until that goes to solid, and then lift this up here. Take out this and put it nice and safely back in here, so that you can use it again in the future. And that is it. Hopefully, then you'll be able to make your coffee, and it will taste nice. And all the scale and bits of gone off water or little bits of old coffees all removed from the system. Thanks for watching.